the excellent find of the show and an item you absolutely love. This had been a fan favorite for years and years and years. The egg container then disappeared,
Yes.
and it came back even better with new innovations. This is the 18 egg keeper with a flip top lid.
Flip top.
You do get 2. So it's eggs and more. It's eggs and your hard-boiled eggs. It's eggs and appetizers. For $21, you're gonna get both. K90646, and so many of you love these because you store your eggs without compromising the integrity. In that cardboard box, it's so easy for them to get smushed and cracked, especially if you're like me and you jam that refrigerator full.
Yes.
So let me show you.
Let's do colors.
Do we have all the colors here with us?
I think they're right on the table for this
Okay,
one.
so this one's the pear. And oh, you get a pair of pear.
You do.
Because it's a pair of the pear. Okay.
Yeah, you do.
Here is your slate.
Yep.
Slate, there's only 5 dozen. So it's that really nice dark gray slate.
Yep.
Coral, right up top.
There you go.
And then spearmint is my favorite. I always use that for pantry containers, food storage.
Yes, you are the spearmint collector.
I love the spearmint.
Yes, I like it. I
Oh,
do.
but look,
I like
okay,
it a
see,
lot.
this is how you see it's not just about eggs.
Well, and that's what's beautiful. So let's just
So
start with the
cute.
eggs for a minute, though. So what this is all about is easy access. That's why we did it, because our other one you had to unlock, so if you're in a hurry and you're making breakfast or you need those eggs quickly because you're baking and time is of the essence, this is so easy. You just flip that right open, hence the word flip top, get in there and just get done. That's what we love about this. So you can use this for many different things. You could put little candies in here. You could put buttons in here. You could put beads in here for crafting.
yeah.
It could be a lot of different, you could put earrings in here.
Oh, that's a great
Little
idea.
pairs of earrings. Is that not the best idea? I think that's pretty good. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Okay, that's just some ideas for other than, in the kitchen. Here you have some pickled eggs in there. Check that out. Isn't that adorable? I love that. But what I also, other than regular just eggs or hard-boiled eggs, I love it for little appetizers. This is a fun little way. If you're having a party, you can pass around the apps, which is really nice, and everybody can get their get their little eat on and go, yummy, yummy. So you could pack a lot
Look
in there.
how pretty that looks and appetizing.
It does.
Right? That's what's really fun.
And
it's
you
like their
could
own
take-
little individual.
You could take the entire top off. So if you want to just serve it without the top, without the flip top, you can.
Oh, sure.
Here we have some melon. Let me see if I can take it off this one. I'm not going to do it right now. It may take too much time. But there's the melon with the prosciutto. So you have little melon. Oh my God, yummy. So think of all the things. Then over here, we have some stuffed peppers. And then we have a little caprese. Look at that. Doesn't that look adorable?
What a
I mean,
fun
think
way,
of
because
all the parties that you
most
could
of
have.
this is just store-bought. What you're making it special is just putting a little skewer in it. And then
That's
the
it.
presentation
Yeah, that's
of
right.
it is what makes, ooh, what are we doing?
I'm just putting a little icing on my strawberries. So you could put some
Oh,
strawberries
that's
in
fun.
here. You could get chocolate covered strawberries for your little, for your sweetheart for Valentine's Day and put them in here.
Love that.
How cute is that?
You're going to get to, this is a item that Lock and Lock customers love. And I get it. My refrigerator space is like a hot commodity because we meal prep. We've got lots of different dietary, vegetarian, all the things needs in our house. There's a lot of food that ends up in the refrigerator
Yeah,
to get
sure.
everything that we need. So things get a little tight.
Look how cute.
With the normal cardboard egg container, it's getting smushed. Something's getting pressed on top. This is, yes, protecting your eggs, of course, but there's also a lot of great uses. So have one in the refrigerator with your eggs,
Yeah.
and then one is kind of your floater. One is for
Could be a floater.
desserts. Maybe it's
How cute is
pre-prepping.
that?
Are these angelic eggs, or did you make deviled eggs?
They're deviled eggs, but what we these are deviled eggs. How cute is this? I'm a huge fan. Let me just say that one more time. I'm a huge fan of a deviled egg.
Yes. With mayo?
Yes. Mayo, mustard.
Yeah. My daughter loves deviled eggs.
I love deviled eggs.
Okay, so spearmint. Got to give you an update. There's 200
Okay.
in the spearmint. How about this beautiful coral? There's about 150 in the coral. The pair of pear. I want that color just because of the pair of pear. 250 to go around. And then we do have it in your slate. 2 dozen, and that's it. We've sold over
Stack them.
15,000.
Look at that. Stack them as many as
Stack
you
'em to
want.
high heaven.
It's like all
That
your
is
party treats are in here. Think of
This
the
is
parties.
egg.
Exceptional.
Exceptional.
Oh, I thought you were going to say, okay, you got me.
Exceptional.